Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this new video I will show you the easiest way how you can enable the tamper protection to prevent others from tampering with your personal files or with your files. To do that, if you have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or Windows 11, it all works the same way. Go to your search tab and type Windows Security. Then go to the left side or the left menu, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down to the bottom. Look at the middle, you will see Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click on Manage Settings. Go to the bottom again and you will see Tamper Protection. As I said, the tamper protection prevents others from tampering with important security features in your computer and in your files. Just click Enable. Windows under User Account Control, it will ask you, do you really want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And it should show Verified Publisher of Microsoft Windows. Just click Yes. And now it's been enabled. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, then you can do that by clicking like and share. And do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon